Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a GoFundMe account. First, navigate to the GoFundMe website or download their mobile application. Once there, you will see a prominent button labeled Start a GoFundMe. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating your very own fundraising campaign. You will then select a category that best describes your cause, helping potential donors find you. Next, it is time to craft your campaign's heart, the story. Be sure to write a clear, compelling narrative that explains why you need support. Then, set a realistic fundraising goal. This helps donors understand your target. Finally, upload a high-quality photo or video. Visuals are incredibly powerful, making your campaign more engaging and trustworthy for potential contributors. Now, you will need to provide some essential personal and banking information. This step is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring funds can be safely transferred. You will connect your bank account directly to GoFundMe for seamless payouts. Remember, the platform typically charges a small processing fee, usually under 3%, for each donation received. With your campaign live, it is time to share it. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X to reach a broad audience. Also, send personalized messages to your friends and family, as they are often your first supporters. Remember to post regular updates to keep everyone informed about your progress and express your gratitude for their generosity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.